computer security strategy. So I'm going to design or I'm going to develop some solution or some technology I'm going to choose. Okay, from here I'm going to choose a technology for my organization. So what I have to do means I have to follow these three things. Computer security strategy. So first thing is you need a proper specification and policy. Then implementation and mechanism. So this mechanism only we are going to collect it from the previous slide. Then correctness and assurance. So you have to work and you have to monitor it properly. Okay. So what is the security scheme supposed to do? So I'm going to have some security mechanism. What I'm expecting from that? Okay, that is objective. So I'm going to expect something. So you can choose anything from here. Okay, I can choose an antivirus software, a firewall, a VPN, okay, a public key infrastructure. So anything I can select from here. But what I'm expecting from that? Okay, so that is going to be the specification. So I have to specify. Then policy. I need my own policy for my organization. Then the next one is the mechanism. You have to choose a proper mechanism and you have to implement it properly. So that is called how does it do it. And then, so once if you implement the mechanism, so we no need to think it is working. Okay, all the problems solved. No. You have to monitor properly. Okay, you have to monitor properly. Then you have to do then changes needed. And finally, you have to make sure, okay, your objective is achieved. Okay, you have completed, you have reached your objective. Okay, you met all your objectives or completely met. So you have to make sure. So that is going to be the assurance. Okay, so three different steps available. Okay, specification and policy, implementation and mechanisms, correctness and assurance. Okay, so these are the three things you have to follow. So this is called the computer security strategy. Now you can see in the next slide, computer security strategy. So here we are dividing into four different steps. Okay, that is nothing. So last step we divided into two here. So security policy, security implementation, assurance and evaluation. So policy, I already explained. It is a set of document, a formal set of rules and regulations that you have to follow. Okay, so that is going to be the security policy. Security implementation. So you are going to implement any security mechanism for complementary courses of action. So prevention, detection, response, recovery. So this is going to be the heart. Okay, the heart of our security strategy. So this is going to be very important. This is going to be like the running. Okay, that means the mechanism which is going to run, which is going to remove, okay, which is going to protect you from the attacks. And finally, so you have to degree of confidence. You have to make sure that you are safe. Okay, so you have to, this involves a very big, this is going to be the day-to-day activities. So once if I have some security mechanism, I implemented the security mechanism means you are not 100% safe. Okay, you have to monitor that. So how the mechanisms are running, what are the issues, okay, day by day, okay, or day-to-day activities you have to monitor. And then there will be some technical issues, non-technical issues, all these things you have to monitor, and you have to make sure the system is working properly. And finally, you are going to do evaluation. So evaluation means whether all my security expectations are met. Okay, we are making some policy here. Okay, security objectives we are going to list out here. So all the objectives are met or not. So I have to evaluate. Okay, so this is going to be the computer security strategy.